Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how mattresses are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We ensure only the finest materials are used in every mattress. Every layer, spring, and fabric is carefully prepared before mattress assembly begins. Once prepared, the materials move into processing where each layer is carefully shaped. Special adhesives secure each layer for long-lasting durability. Engineers carefully monitor every stage to maintain perfect balance and comfort. With the internal structure complete, the mattress is ready for its final transformation. At this stage, the mattress begins to take its final shape. Precision stitching ensures durability and comfort. Each mattress is carefully inspected during production. At this stage, the mattress begins to take its final shape. Precision stitching ensures durability and comfort.
With packaging complete, the mattresses are ready to be delivered around the world.
With packaging complete, the mattresses are ready to be delivered around the world. Every mattress is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
Scan complete, batch verified.
Each mattress is tracked and verified for complete quality assurance.
Back it in steady. Good, set down there.
From factory floor to homes worldwide, logistics ensure timely delivery.
And that's how mattresses are made from start to finish.